I'm giving you a quick and honest review of the Total Visa credit card in 2025. If you're looking to build or rebuild your credit, this card might seem like an easy solution, but is it actually worth it? Let's find out. So what's the deal with the Total Visa credit card? This is an unsecured card, meaning you don't need to put down a deposit like with a secured card. It's designed for people with poor or limited credit history, and it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, which is key for building your credit score. What I like about it: no security deposit required. That's a big plus if you don't have cash to lock up. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus. This can really help you build credit if you make on-time payments. 1% cashback on eligible purchases. While not huge, it's nice to get a little something back while rebuilding your credit. Now the not-so-great stuff. High fees. There's a $95 program fee, plus a $75 annual fee for the first year, and then it drops to $48. On top of that, there's a monthly servicing fee of up to $10.25 after the first year. High APR. At 35.99%, the interest rate is pretty steep, which can really hurt if you carry a balance. Credit limit increase fee. If you want a higher limit, they charge up to 25% of the increase, which can get expensive. So is it worth it? If you're looking to rebuild credit and you're okay with the high fees, the Total Visa credit card can help. But there are other cards with lower fees and better terms, so it's definitely worth shopping around if you're serious about improving your credit. If this review helped, give a super thanks by hitting that heart icon. And don't forget to subscribe for more real reviews. See you in the next one.